do you think, Trig? Would you do this again?
No.
Not a chance?
Absolutely not.
This is the good old sauce we're using. Back with another GT350 video. Today we are going to be today's plan is to take these bag rails off, these stripes, and then also this clear bra. I don't know if you guys can see that right here. But removing the clear bra, and then we're gonna put a layer of coating on this thing after a fresh wax. So we almost got the front bumper completely tore off. Thankfully this PPF is coming off smoothly and not leaving a heavy residue. It's a little sticky. We might use a heat gun, but seeing what we can do for now. So we're currently pulling off this clear bra off the front of this hood. And as you can see, about every inch, there's a slit cut in this thing around the whole hood. Which makes it 10 times harder, but more time consuming, but it is what it is. Once we get these little lips pulled off, we'll be able to pull this whole thing off and get these stripes off. Call it a day. After about hours of fighting this damn clear bra, finally almost there. Just gotta undo the rest of these little lips, which is all good to go. We gotta finish off right here at the roof. Sadly, there's another clear bra up here, so we're almost there. But dang, that was difficult. I'm ready for this to be over with. Can't wait to see this thing detailed too. Gonna do a full correction, buff, wax, and we're gonna put a coating on top of it to seal it off, and hopefully she'll look like new whenever we get all that done, but we'll see when we get there. So we just finished up the roof. A lot easier than the hood, I can promise you that. But it's all black now, pretty dirty. Got paw prints all over it, but it is what it is. What do you think, Trig? Would you do this again?
No.
Not a chance?
Absolutely not. That was awful.
As you can see, pretty dirty. But like I said, this thing's getting a full detail job with the coating on top, so this thing should look pretty good once we get it all done. But I don't know about you guys, but I dig the all black. I'd much rather have all black than the stripes. Front of the hood's the worst.
For sure.
Look at that, right there at the light. Gotta love it. What do you guys think about this? Should I leave it red? A little bit of accent? Or pull it off? So it's the next day. Got the clear bra taken off, the whole car, roof and all.
Trash.
Yeah, which sucked, but it's done, it's over. Back now, taping off some spots where we don't want to get any kind of compound or any kind of substance stuck in. But gonna tape this off. We're gonna start on that far fender where Austin is, and then we're gonna work our way around. So far we just got one fender done. Paint turned out not to be as bad as we thought, so less work for us, thank God. Fender looks pretty good. Starting to work on the hood now. Got about a quarter of the way through the hood. Still have a lot more to go. But we're using Adams.
Yep.
Adams polish, Adams diesel spray, and Adams compound, and then top it off. Adams ceramic coating. We've never used it before, but excited to see how it turns out. It should be pretty good, but we'll see. So we got the hood done and the passenger side somewhat done. We gotta do that back quarter panel, but right now we are prepping the car for the Adams ceramic coat, which is this bottle right here. Surface prep. Just spray it on a rag and then spray the surface that you're about to coat. You have to let it sit.
No.
No?
Just wait for it to be completely dry. Gets all the rest of the contaminants, oil, any leftover compound, stuff like that. Gets it up so that the ceramic coat has a good surface to stick to.
Well, cool, there's that. So yeah, once we prep this whole thing, we're gonna lay a layer of coating on it and let it sit for a little bit, and should turn out pretty nice. Austin already started on the hood with the ceramic coat. We have a black light, which I don't know where it went, to help with spotting the coating on the car. It's already been applied to make sure we don't miss any spots, but Austin's currently working on the door. This is the good old sauce we're using.
Adams ceramic.
Adams ceramic. Basically all you do is you put a little bit on the applicator and make sure you don't miss any spots. Just work in little sections. Don't go too crazy with it. Don't try to do a whole panel at once. Work slowly. Basically all you're gonna do is wipe it on there.
Wait for it to haze and then wipe it off.
Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. Alright, so wait about 30 to 40 seconds. And I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this, but it looks like there's an oil residue on the paint. It's kind of hard to see, but just wait 30 to 40 seconds and then just wipe off the area basically. And then move on to the next section. That simple.
You're driving around in a dirty car.
Welcome to our car.
More. There we
Please
go.
select your wash
Of
packet.
course, we gotta get the best
Do
of
you
the
want
best.
to service? Did you want a...
And we don't
The
need
wash
any
is available.
trash.
Please enter wash now.
See how well this ceramic coat holds up in the old touchless wash. Beaten up pretty well. See what it looks like when they throw some soap on here. Yes, sir. Kind of dark in here, but you guys get the general picture of what we're going for. Do a little walk around of the car once we get out of here so you can see how the ceramic looks after we got done with it and after it's kind of cleaned up. The only thing left is we got to put a ceramic booster on to keep it shiny nice, keep it hydrophobic and stuff like that. So I'll catch you guys when I get out of the car wash and we'll do a little walk around and show you what we're working with. So they don't have the best dryers here, so the car's still a little wet. But as you can see, the ceramic coat did awesome. Paint's perfect like a mirror. Definitely happy with it. Alright guys, so we just got home from getting the car washed. I just want to show you what we're using. It's the Adams ceramic boost and then one of their microfiber plush towels. Basically just goes on like any spray wax. All you're gonna do, take it, you're just gonna spray a little bit on here, and then take your rag, just wipe it off. And all it's gonna do is help keep the ceramic properties, keep the paint hydrophobic, stuff like that. They recommend on the ceramic coated cars that you do it after every 3 or 4 washes just to keep the hydrophobic properties. So I'll definitely be doing that, and then we'll keep you guys updated on how we like it, since it is our first time using it, and we'll see if it keeps the car protected or not. And then next up will be this big girl. Go ahead and get the ceramic coating done on this, do a couple other little mods, but those will be in a later video.
So I'm currently editing a video right now, which you guys will see here in a future video. But Austin's outside, finishing up the car, getting it all cleaned up. We just wrapped up the detail job, put the ceramic coating on it, and sealed. Everything's good to go. And we are about to head out to Crown Hill to shoot some cinematic edits to show off this GT350 that is done being coated. So enjoy.